Hey everybody, I'm sorry it's took me so long to do a video. I thought I would, and this is a road call I did for U-Haul, and I will attach some pictures of it since I couldn't record what I was doing, and so you can see what I did. Thank you, and please like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can see when I post more stuff, and also please comment so I know that you like the content. Thank you. Hey everybody, I'm adding onto it so you could see the pictures and see what you thought. What happened was I got called out for an oil leak. The oil filter was barely hanging on the truck, and I tightened it up and took 5 quarts of oil to top it off and fired it up, and everything was good. Thank you for taking the time to view this, and look forward to hearing from you guys. And please share this to help us out. Thank you. Bye.